gonna take you behind the barn door to see why this horse is so happy.
Boys and girls, this is Rogue. Rogue, and she's 6 years old, and she's a mare. That means she's female. And she's coming over. She's gonna get a treat. I got her eye. Here's her treat right there.
Can you smile? Smile over here.
Let's smile for the boys and girls. Say hi, boys and girls.
You gotta smile. Smile. There you
Oh my gosh, look at that smile, boys and girls.
go.
Isn't that great? This is Rogue. Well, Rogue, the boys and girls are going to be giving you a big kiss. Yes, they are when they see your beautiful face. They will, yes, and there's his nose, her nose. Bye, over and out. Oh my gosh. Yes, thank you. There's a horse playing his ball. Is that a soccer ball, boys and girls? He likes his ball. Boys and girls, that ball has food in it. Let's take a closer look. There it is. Isn't that smart?
Hey, boys and girls, we match, don't we? Hi. You want to say hi to the boys and girls? Or you are too busy eating? It's too busy eating, boys and girls. Yummy. Kind of same outfit on, don't we? Red and black.
He has purple little booties on. Look at those booties, purple. Hey, there's a blue feeder, boys and girls. And look at our friend here. There's another Rogue. Hi there. You're gonna give us another big smile, huh? Woo! Give me a smile. Give me a smile. There. You're really tall. I'm having to look up at you. What's your name, big boy? Look at that tongue. Look at that tongue. Yum, yum, yum. You're a tall guy. And how old are you? Huh? How old are you? I want to know. Look at you. White and black horse. Yes. Come here and see me. Come here and see me. Yes. Yes. Can you say hi to the boys and girls? Huh, good looking? Can you give us a hee? You're beautiful. Hey, what you doing that mouth? Yes, what you doing? Here's our friend from the back. Look how beautiful his tail and everything is. He's so white and clean. What's going on over here? What's all the banging? Oh, you want to say hi? Or do you want to just bang? Huh? What? What? Huh? I think that was 7 times. You counted to 7. Yes, you did. I think that was 7. You're really good looking, you know that? The boys and girls would like to see you. How'd you get to be so beautiful? So big and white. Yes, you are. Yes, come here and say hi to us. Yes, say hi to us. Yes. Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. Oh my gosh, you're a big boy. Yes, you are, and you're pretty too. You know that? You're a good-looking guy. Another good-looking guy, boys and girls. What's your name? Huh? What's your name? Huh? Can you go hee hee hee? Can you go hee hee hee? Look at the ears go up. One more time. Yeah. Yes. I'll have to say goodbye now because I gotta go.